Welcome to Study Loop.
So we have some synthesis questions, which we can start with this ester as a starting point, as well as benzene and some other carbon reagents with at least two, or at most two. Okay, so the first one, we want to synthesize this 1,3-keto ester with two ethyl groups. So this can actually come from the homocoupled reaction of this in itself. So if you use sodium methoxide and ethanol, can get to this compound, and next we can just use some LDA on the first step, and then ethyl iodide in order to access. I'll label this A. Let's get to the first product, A. Okay, moving right along. B, we need to access this diol product. Well, actually, we already know that we can access this compound from our first starting synthesis. So I want to start kind of from there. But at the same time, I need to create some aromatic electrophilic reagent. So if we were to take benzene and react this with formaldehyde in an electrophilic aromatic substitution, especially with some catalytic acid, we will generate this benzylic alcohol. Then you can react it with, say, PBr3 to generate this benzylic bromide. Now if we take this material, which we already know how to access, then use LDA followed by benzyl bromide, we can access, and I'll just shorthand this to phenyl, this compound, and then we are almost home free. We just need to reduce with lithium aluminum hydride, and we will access the desired diol. Finally, we want to access this compound. So again, we kind of know that we can use this as our electrophile from our starting material. I really just need to make acetophenone as a nucleophile. So if we were to take our benzene and react this with acetyl chloride in AlCl3, we can access this acetophenone. Then we take this, use LDA, and then introduce our electrophile. We will generate this nucleophile attacking here. So we can directly access the desired product.